In today's video, I will teach you how to do a ripped paper effect in PicMonkey. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to apply the ripped paper effect in PicMonkey. Once the image is open in the editor, go to the sidebar and open the Graphics tab. In the search bar, type in the keyword paper. Now, scroll down until you see the ripped paper graphics that you would like to use. Once you've chosen the paper graphics, click on it, and you can now resize it and move it around the canvas. You can also change the position and resize it later so it doesn't have to be exact right now. With the paper graphics selected, go to the sidebar and select Fill with Image, and select the source of your file and open it on PicMonkey. To resize and reposition the fill image, simply select the fill image, go to the sidebar, and select Edit Fill Image. Now, drag on the corner handles to resize the image. You can also adjust the saturation of your image, rotate it, or flip it either horizontally or vertically. Once you're satisfied, go to the sidebar, open the Graphics tab, and select the ripped paper graphics that you used. Now, resize the graphics until it's the same size as your overlay image. Then move it slightly above the overlay image so that the ripped part peeks through. In the Layers panel, move the ripped paper graphics layer below the overlay image. Now, right-click on the ripped paper graphics and select Crop Image. Then crop out the bottom part of the graphics. Now do the same thing for the bottom part of the paper graphics. You can also use colors to fill your ripped paper. To do this, go to the side panel, open the Graphics tab, type in the keyword paper, and select the ripped paper graphics that you would like to use. Now select the graphics layer, go to the side panel, and select Change Colors. This will open up the color spectrum panel, and here, select the color that you would like to change, and in the color spectrum or color presets library, choose a color that you would like to fill the ripped paper with. To make an abstract pattern with ripped papers, simply open a new blank canvas, go to the side panel, open the Graphics tab, and type in the keyword paper, then choose the ripped paper graphics that you would like to use. Now go to the side panel and select Change Color. This will open the Colors panel, and here you can choose which color to replace your ripped paper with. Now just play around with the colors and add as many ripped papers as you want. And you're done! If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.